needs to step up by nearly half a second to get in the show. Oh dear. 7:54 at 1:78 for Ross Morrison. Alan Morrison Jr. is up and walking about, folks. Give him a round of applause.
He
Come on.
waves to the crowd.
Let him hear it.
Oh, he's just hopped over the wall as well. He's
with you. Okay, up next. No, it's not Alan Morrison Jr.
It is.
No, it can't be.
What?
Really? Jake Michelle. Well, it says on the screen it's Alan. We'll soon find out how the... Yeah, it is, possibly. 121 to 60.
Look at Jake.
Jake's off to a 6.95.
Oh
209 miles an hour. He's done it.
And look at that, Alan Morrison Jr.
Seriously.
Oh, I told you.
7:20, 196.
I told you.
In the next qualifying session after dumping the bike. That's mind-blowing.
I just had it in my head that he was going to do that. I must admit, I thought he was going to come back tomorrow eliminations. Not in qualifying.